Hi friends, it's Raven. Today I want to share with you this berry and gold makeup look that is perfect for the holidays. If that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. I like to start with a primer just so that everything stays and sticks all day long and doesn't move. And then I like to use this foundation. It's a little bit old because I need to replace it, but I like to dab it in with a beauty blender, and then I also like to go over my eyelids just so that it's used as an eyeshadow base as well. I do like a medium coverage. I don't like a full coverage just because on me it can look kind of cakey. So I like to keep it kind of medium and natural coverage. And then I like to go in with a concealer under my eyes, laugh lines, T-zone, and then I have some acne scars on my chin that I like to cover up as well. And then I just use the same beauty blender to dab that all in and blend it. Then I take a translucent powder just because I don't want to add any extra color to it, and this one has also seen better days. It's been dropped a time or two, but I like to run that all over my face and just to set everything and blend it all in. And then I like to take a contour, and this one is kind of a cooler shade, which is perfect because I realized I had cool undertones, so having a cooler contour helps prevent it from looking too orange. And I use that on my double chin, my nose, and my cheeks. And then I go over all of that with a nice bronzer, and I did go a little heavy on my forehead this time, but I like to just kind of frame my face. And then I like to go in with this really gorgeous pink shade, and I like to apply that on the outside of my cheeks. And because I have more of a round face, if I apply it to the outside, it helps elongate my face and make it look less round. And then I go in with this gorgeous highlighter. It is one of my favorites. It's such a pretty white, silvery shade, and it absolutely glows. So I like to apply that to my cheeks, a little bit to the nose, a little bit to my brow bone, and just a little bit on top of my lip, and it helps my lips look a little bit more full. Gorgeous. And then I just go in with this simple brow gel. I really don't have to do a whole lot to my brows because they're just naturally full and naturally shaped. So I just like to clean them up a little bit. And then I go in with an eye primer just so everything stays really nicely. And I use my ring finger to help prevent too much pulling and drag on my eyelids. And then I'm going in with the Hocus Pocus palette, which is kind of funny for Christmas, but the colors in there is absolutely gorgeous and is perfect for the holiday season. And I take a really fluffy brush. I absolutely love this brush. I use it for pretty much all the steps of my eyeshadow, but I take just a really neutral shade and brush that all over the lids. And then I'm just going in with this berry shade, and oh my god, it is absolutely gorgeous. It is so pigmented and beautiful, and I just blend that right in with the other color that I laid down. And then I love this tool because you just swipe your brush on there and it helps remove some of the old colors so you can reuse your brush. And then I'm going in with a light glittery shade just to help blend out those edges again. And then I'm taking this cream champagne gold color. It is absolutely gorgeous. And I like to just use my finger because I feel like it helps make it more pigmented. And then I have a little bit more control on where it goes. And then I'm going in with this really sparkly glittery gold just to place on top of that to add a little bit more sparkle to the eyes. I like using my pinky because I feel like it fits in that crease perfectly. And then here's a little trick, but if I'm gonna do a liner look and I want to use shadow, I'll take my setting spray and use that to get my brush wet so that it helps the color go on really pigmented and smooth. So I'm going to go in with the glittery version of that berry color and just use an angled brush to draw in my winged liner. I swear that setting spray does magic. And then because I have really hooded eyes, I like to keep it super, super tight to the lash line, because then that way when my eyes are open, you can still see some of that gold shade. And voila. And then using a shorter, more condensed brush, I'm going to go into the lower lash line. So I'm going to use that same champagne gold color more towards the inside of the under eye. And then if I have any fallout, I like to use a big fluffy brush to brush it away. And then I'm going to go back in with that same berry shade and use that on the lash line, on the lower lash line, just to blend it in with the top colors. Then I'm going to go in with that same gold just on the inner corners a bit and to make everything cohesive. I love it. And then I'm going to go in with my lash curler and some mascara. I'm going to plop on some fake lashes anyways, so it doesn't really matter how my mascara looks. This is just to help kind of blend it in. And you could certainly leave it just like this if you wanted, but I'm feeling extra, so I'm going to add some lashes. And then while those are drying, I'm going to apply this really pretty, like brick red colored lipstick. And then you put the lashes on, and I really like these ones because they're kind of more natural and they aren't as in your face. And that is the finished look. You can certainly leave it like this, but I thought the lips needed a little bit of gold, so I went in with that same shadow and just dotted a little bit on the center of my lips. And then, of course, you want to set it so that it stays all day with some setting spray. And that is the final look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe. What makeup look do you think I should do next? Comment down below. Okay, talk to you guys later. Bye!